I know it's been a while, but I figured I'd do an update on my 1/4 scale RC car built from an Eclipse electric car from Walmart quite a few years ago. It's the picture of it. Figured I'd go through a bunch of the photos from building it, different body modifications, chassis ideas, the original chassis, how it was glued together, how everything went together, how it looked. A couple more later on after they were painted. Tried to put the pictures in order, did not work at all, so you get the idea. I ain't been able to work on it that much. Moving, life gets to you. No time. That's a cool one. Sheet metal idea. Gas tank made. Multiples of the same picture. Lots of multiples. And then back in 2013, I went to college. And class project was design something, blueprints, and build it. So why not an RC car? Chassis made of aluminum, 1/4 inch, welded by me. Not a very good picture, but yes, I cheated with the A-frame arms and I bought them from the hobby shop, along with a few parts where the tires connect to the drivetrain. Not very good of a machinist, so she's still a work in progress. Had something holding it up, but shock towers still need to be completed. Drivetrain needs some tinkering. That's a good one. Needs some work.